Angry Dave here, and today my wife wants one of those stupid ass batten walls in the bathroom because apparently drywall's not good enough and nothing's ever good enough for a woman. So let's waste a perfectly good Saturday turning my bathroom into a 90s sports bar. Yeah, I'm not going to use half of those tools. Alright, so she wants it right here, right above this light switch. So, I'm go ahead and measure. Alright, 5 feet. Are you fucking kidding me? I just sanded for the past fucking 2 minutes with nothing on there. Fucking idiot. How dumb can someone fucking be? Jesus Christ. Wow, it's sanding! 2-inch brad nails, 18 gauge. Fucking piece of shit. That was cool. Just say it was. Fuck. Hold. Shit. It's smeared. God damn it. Picture fucking. And I covered up all my freaking stud marks. Wow, that's nice. We're level. Looks like I can fucking do something right, finally. Sure. Fucking huge gap. Fuck. There's no freaking stud there, so I can't pull it in with a nail. I'll go through the fucking caulk today. That looks like fucking ass shit. It's just stupid. Who the fuck even thinks this looks good? It's gonna look like a 90s sports bar in here with a fucking vertical post in here. So stupid. Now I gotta take that shit off. And I'm probably gonna run into the damn thing, so the light switch, so I don't have to notch one of these. It's freaking stupid. Guess I'll have to measure the other side. We can find the center. Are we fucking for real right now? What is this? Dude, okay, I know Home Depot's wood is bad. This is ridiculous. And this is the side I want showing. Oh my god. What a fucking piece of shit this thing is. Wow. If y'all buy y'all's wood from Home Depot to do this project, y'all better get your caulk guns primed. Holy shit. Fuck! God damn. Shit. Good Lord. Whatever, man. Jeez. At least it's in the freaking corner, but there ain't nothing else I can do about that shit. That's what we're working with here. It's absolutely ridiculous. God. I had to toenail it into the baseboard. I'll just redesign the bathroom. There. That's better. Wow. I can't believe it. We're doing it. We're doing it, folks. It's going. Would you look at that? I didn't break anything. Crazy. This one's not even lined up with a stud, so I've got to glue it. Hopefully, I don't fuck it up. Fuck's my level? Oh, right here. Actually, I might be able to toenail a little bit into one so it can stay. Got it. Go down the edge. Alright, that's 4 down. 1 more to go. Nothing like being trendy and just putting a visual representation of where your studs are and then painting it. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Wow. And I do have to notch it. Piece of shit. Who puts a light switch there anyway? Jesus Christ. Oh, there goes my freaking wood filler I had. Damn it. Gotta freaking mark this shit. Alright, so naturally I fucked up the one with the notch. So, in the meantime, while I'm letting the wood filler dry on that one, I'm going to do this ledge that she wants. As if we don't have enough shit laying around the house, she's going to probably put shit up on here. So, I'm just going to nail it directly into the board below. There's the ledge. Just gonna wait on that one. I gotta do some wood filler, letting that dry. And then we'll nail it up. And then we can caulk and paint. That's the wall. Then we'll caulk and paint the rest. I'm gonna fix this fucking drywall I fucked up. Tried sanding it. Ain't working. Can't see anything. Don't run an orbital sander inside your house on the drywall. There's fucking drywall dust everywhere. God. It's fucking out. It's in the house now. It's fucking everywhere. This is just great. Can't do a fucking thing right around here. So, I'm probably just gonna have to fucking skim coat where it's all fucked up. Because it looks like ass. You gotta stop fucking spilling it. caulked up. Looks like ass. But let this tack up and then we'll go ahead and get some primer and paint. This shit sucks. I fucking hate this. Alright, so I went ahead and painted it off camera because it took me 2 days. I primed it with some Kills and then I used just some trim semi-gloss latex paint. As you can see, the project turned out absolutely mediocre. I hated every bit of it. It sucked, but I guess my wife likes it, so whatever. Thanks for watching. Sorry there wasn't a lot of freakouts like there was the past few videos. If you liked it, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you want me to do next. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.